Okay, so here we are trying to walk to the fucking bar, and it's fucking pouring outside.
Or we just call Austin
and
get a ride.
we don't have any kind of protection here.
Oh, my shoes. Yes, my shoes too.
Where are my shoes?
Okay, what do we do?
Okay, basically, there's two options. There's like the woman option where we could just stand here, or we could just, who gives a fuck, and just keep walking.
Or we could call Austin and get a ride.
I'm gonna go with like the manly option and just keep walking. In the fucking rain. Okay.